Alright guys, so we're getting ready to get on our canyon run. I have you guys on GoPro cam so you can enjoy the view. Super stoked with the this is like a first real canyon run for the car. So here we go. I'm playing catch up because the boys are ahead of me already, but we're getting closer. There they are. Beautiful road to be on. That's what I like. I like when people get out of the way like that. It makes everyone's life a lot easier. We get to go at the speed we want, and they get to relax and just enjoy the view. So if you're ever on a canyon road, car's going up faster than you, just get out of the way. It goes both ways, you know. If someone comes up behind me right now that's going faster than me, I'm just gonna get out of the way, let them do the thing. Now I'm going to change up the steering feel because I forgot to do that last time we were up on the canyons. So let's see how that feels. I'm going to change up the driving mode. We'll put it in like a Sport Plus. It makes it a little more responsive. Change up the dash for me. I can't wait to have some exhaust work done on this thing because it's going to sound so good. Oh my god, I'm getting showered with rocks. I'm gonna hold back a little bit. I already cracked my windshield once. I'm not trying to do it again. Oh my god, that's so loud. My car sounds so quiet. Man, even the RT is louder than this Mustang. That's sad. This car needs to get some balls, you know? Get some volume to it. Woo! She sounds good, just not loud enough. And it's getting colder as we go up too. The temperature's dropping, but the car likes that. We're at 985 miles, guys. We're almost there. I'm telling you what, the spacers feel pretty good. I'm definitely not feeling any type of change or resistance or anything like that in the way the wheels are. Only thing I'm worried about is they might be picking up a little bit of rocks towards that back end, so I might have to apply like a expel or something to the rear end just to make sure that it doesn't get destroyed with rocks. Alright, I think this is a windy part of the drive here. So the cylinder head is climbing. It's 215 degrees now. I'm not sure where that's supposed to be, so if you know what the cylinder head is supposed to be at, let me know in the comments below, because I'd really like to kind of have a gauge of where I'm supposed to be at when I'm driving. Oh, there's a lot of rocks. All the smoke went in my car. Well, that fucking sucks. There goes a new car smell. Might as well. Thanks a lot, buddy. There goes the new car smell in my car. Forgot to close the door. Oh my god. It was at this moment he knew he f***ed up because he's gonna need new tires soon.
Or you gonna need new tires now. How did that look?
That shit looked lit. And I was like, I really hope he doesn't set. And I was like, fuck! I was like, I was trying to take pictures.
No, that looked good. It looked good and it sounded badass, yeah. You were in it for a minute on the way up.
It was an avalanche. What the fuck are you doing? Send it!
I'm like, no, send it.
I wasn't going to until you said that.
Oh, damn.
Get some pictures real quick. But I really hope he doesn't send it right now because I was trying to take pictures. Sheesh.
He's like, no, that's not good enough. It looks so badass coming out of all that smoke. How long have you had this tires on? Like, what, a month?
Like a month and a half, almost 2 months.
Damn. Well, let's go look at the damage. Yep. You came out of here, the little donut, and then right here is where you decided that you wanted to go extra hard.
Interrupted by fucking 800 bald eagles. This guy just sent that shit.
Woo!
Later, tires. Bro, people probably hate us.
Looks good though. Looks good. Well done, well done. I gotta give you a
Yeah, that was pretty good. That was pretty good.
That was pretty lit.
That was good. All right.
Yeah, you don't want the 5.7 block though. They got shit on you.
I gotta call the tire shop now. Oh yeah, it's good.
Full send, baby. Full send. That's what we're talking about. All right. Well, we got another runner up. I'm gonna record on his phone and on this camera. Here we go. Any last words? Let me see them. Any last words?
If I crash it, it's fine. It's got gap. It's cool.
It's got gap.
Cool.
All right, we'll send that to the insurance company.
What kind of Chinese tires are those? Because I can smell them. What kind of tires are those?
Some Chinese.
Smells like
Some
sushi up in
Chinese.
here. Yeah, you smell the sushi.
The sushi. The
Smells like Shogun.
Smells like Shogun, doesn't it? Well, I mean, it was a half cent, but we sent it. It was a half cent, but we sent it.
Oh shit, there's a cop.
Mustang. So obnoxious. I'm about to call the cops on him myself. Oh my God, my ears are done. My ears are so done. I need to get in front of him. I can't. Look how close we are. there it is. Car's about to be broken in officially. You ready for it? I'm definitely ready for it. Here we go. There we go. Congratulations. We are good to go. Let's do a little rip for you guys. A little sand. Yep. Oil change is happening tomorrow. That's it. We are good to go. Oh man, I'm so excited. I am so excited. All right, I'll have to drive now, but I'll catch you guys at the bottom of the freaking canyon. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so that is gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very fun cruising the canyons, and definitely super satisfied with the way the car is looking with the spacers on there. It looks pretty good. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you turn your notification bell on so you get notified when I do post. My name is Rush. There's my GT, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.